Welcome to the training video for the Aerocom AC3000 pneumatic tube system for Mallow General Hospital. The new stations recently installed are this type, called a trend station, and they're a top loading station in the carrier, loads in the top. There are 10 other stations on the tube system, including the laboratory, pharmacy and other wards. The address list will be on the front of your station. Now, to send to the laboratory, which is where the majority of items will go, you simply open the swivel top lid on the carrier, place the items to be sent inside, and make sure the lid closes fully. Now, we have pre-programmed the stations. If you look carefully, it will have the laboratory number already on the screen. So, to send to the lab, you simply load the canister and place it in the top of the station. If the system is busy, it may sit there for a minute or two before it goes, but you will have an orange light to say the system is in use. The green light says it's in the queue, as we can see it's now gone, and then it travels to the lab. Now, off it goes. Now, if you need to send to somewhere else, the laboratory number stays on the screen all the time, but if you need to send somewhere else, you simply select the number off the address list and type in that number. So if you were to send to pharmacy, you dial 361 and then place the carrier in the top of the pod, in the top of the station. So you dial the number for your destination and then put in the carrier. Okay. The pods fall when they arrive back, when the empties come back to you, they land out of the bottom of the station into the basket. I'll show you that in a second. But they land in the basket at the bottom, and then there is a carrier rack. You'll see it fitted beside the station on the wall. So those carriers can hang on the carrier rack to keep the basket free. There should also be instructions on your address list as to what to do if there's any errors, if there's a red light flashing, or if there's a message on the screen saying clear basket, push C, or diverter fault, or destination not available. Errors like this would prompt a response, so you follow the instructions underneath the address list as to phoning maintenance or us to log the call, whatever the protocols are going to be set out within the hospital. There's not much else to it in relation to training on use of the system. It's very simply, as I said, load the canister, make sure the lid is closed completely. Anything sticking out can cause a problem. So make sure the canister lid is closed, and either dial your number and load, or if it's for the laboratory, simply load it in the top. And there you go.